Hello guys, this is Unchained Mode, and today I'll be explaining some few things that some people have been asking me that they don't understand about Sonic AI. There are some things that they normally see and that they don't understand. So that is what I'll be explaining right here in this video. Meanwhile, I want to say congratulations for some of the new persons that have just joined this wonderful platform, that have just registered under the AiTech and TagMarkets and have connected into Sonic AI and are profiting steadily with us. I want to say congratulations for taking that bold step. All right. All right. I'll be discussing about the PF deduction, and I'll also be discussing about the upgrade, and I'll also just go a little bit deep to discuss about this withdrawal. I noticed some persons are having some issues withdrawing. Some newbies actually had some issues withdrawing. All right. So which one should I talk about first? Okay. Let me talk about the Meta5. Then I'll come back to this one. Okay. So now, talking about this Sonic AI. Now, whenever you see this PF deduction right here, this is a deduction that is always debited every Saturday. When once it is Saturday, the AI is going to deduct 30% based on the agreement that you agreed, because we know that this AI, before you even connected your money, you moved your money to the AI for it to be trading for you. You agreed, there was an agreement that you made that the every weekend the AI is going to be removing 30% and 70% is going to be for you. Now that 70% is your profit that you can withdraw or you can decide to compound, all right, in tag market. While the 30% goes to the owners of the AI, okay? The 30% goes to the owners of the AI. So whenever you see this PF deduction, don't be afraid. It simply means that out of the money that the AI has traded for you, 30% is going to the owners of AI. All right. They are the owners of AI, the runners of AI. That is the services that for the services that they are giving you in using the AI to trade profitably, they are removing 30%, and then 70% is going to be made available for you guys. I hope that is clear enough. Good. Now, this deposit right here you see, talking about, let's talk about this deposit. This deposit that you see right here is the amplified money. So whenever you deposit into tag market, it's going to be amplified automatically for you. For those of you that are part of the community, if you deposit your funds and then you use the community code, which is the BFD that I dropped in the Telegram group, your money is going to be amplified by 264. That is, if you are depositing 10, let's say if you are depositing $10, your money is going to be amplified by x24. So you'll be getting 264 $264. Now the $264 is the borrowed currency, like the 24x, which is the which will be added, which will be like the 24x that your money is going to be amplified is the more money that the brokerage is going to borrow you. All right. So the brokerage doesn't want you to um lose your money. They want you to make profit. So that is why they are giving you the 24x so that you can trade and make cool profits. Now, since you are giving the AI your money, the AI is gonna leverage based on the 24x and trade for you. All right. So that's what the deposit there is all about, guys. All right. That's what the deposit is all about. Now let's talk about this adjustment. This adjustment that you see right here is simply means let's say for instance I want to compound. Whenever you click on this compound in Sonic AI, if you let me go over to Sonic AI and show you something. Whenever I hit this compound button, I click on this reinvest button. It means that I want to compound my generated profit that the AI has done for me. I want to compound it. So whenever you click on this compound, it is going to ask you if the minimum you can actually compound is $1, then the maximum you can compound any amount of your choice, but the minimum is $1. So if I click on, let's say I want to compound my profit by one point something dollar, I'll just click on 1 point something dollar and compound it. So any amount I compound, any amount, let's say if I want to compound, if the AI has traded $1.17 for me, I want to compound it, I'll just head over to this place right here. After I've clicked on reinvest, if I click on reinvest, I'm going to insert $1.17. As soon as I insert $1.17 right here and I click on upgrade, the money is going to be used to compound my balance, and the money is going to be amplified by 24 because already at initial stage I showed you people how to compound. All right, I showed people how to deposit and make use of the community code to get in 24x. But without the community code, you are going to be having just 12x alone. All right. So if you use the for the newbies that want to get access to the platform and or that are just watching this video for the first time, you can go ahead, go over to the first video, just at the video description, and watch from the beginning to understand what this AiTech and Sonic AI is all about. This video is basically for those of you that have started using the AI, have connected your account, and just want to know some basic things. All right. So that is what it's all about, guys. So I have explained what the PF deduction is all about. I've also explained what the adjustment. This adjustments, once again, is for those of you that want to compound your money. You want to leave it there to be increasing. You can now head over to your AiTech and go and compound. And once you hit that compound button to reinvest what the AI has traded for you, this is going to show adjust. This adjust means that I compounded $1.38. Okay, I hope that is clear enough. You can see it right here as well. Like today, I compounded just $1.34 that the AI traded for me. All right, and that is it, guys. That is what I want you to know about this. Okay, this is so I won't go a little bit much deeper into Sonic AI, but if you want to know more deeper, then you have to join the presentation that is always dropped in our Telegram group. All right. So guys, that is it for that. In case you want to withdraw your generated profit from Sonic AI, what you have to do is click right here. After clicking right here, you head over to copy X. As soon as you head over to copy X, it's going to take you right here in this particular page. All right. Now to access your Sonic AI, you all know that you have to click right here where you have that two middle heads. You click on it. Then after clicking on it, just wait for it to load. Then click on these strategies. Click on this strategy right here. All right. As soon as you click on this strategy, then you head over to this withdrawal. Okay, now whenever you click on this withdrawal, that is if you want to withdraw your profit, the profit that the AI has traded for you, you don't want to compound, you just want to withdraw, just click on this withdraw button right here. Then you can now insert the amount that you want to be withdrawing. In case, for example, the AI has traded $50 and I want to withdraw $10, I'll just come right here and click on this amount and type 10. All right, as soon as you type this 10 right here, as soon as you type this 10 and you click on the withdraw, your money is going to be withdrawn automatically into, is going to be withdrawn automatically and will be reflected right here. All right, your money is going to be reflected right here. Then from there now, you can now decide to withdraw. So whenever I want to withdraw, just click right here. All right, click right there, and then you head over to my withdraw section. You head over to my withdraw section. All right, now you can see withdraw. It has opened, that page has opened. Just scroll down and click on withdrawals. All right, you click on withdrawals, and after clicking on withdrawals right there, just read the procedures right here, and then the money that you withdrew from Sonic AI is still going to be reflecting right here. Now you can now decide to either withdraw all the whole money or you withdraw half. If you want to withdraw all the whole money, just click on enter amount, then you hit this submit request. All right, as soon as you hit this submit request, then you follow the next step. Your money is going to be sent automatically to your deposited wallet or your deposited withdrawal accounts, guys. Now I'm going to be showing you a live video on how to withdraw in the next video. I'll be dropping it right at the video description, but this is just a basic guide on how to withdraw for those of you that just want to withdraw. Now I have taken my time to explain three things that some of you find confusing, but in case you don't understand, just let me know at the comment section. Drop your question at the comment section and I'll be glad to respond as soon as possible. So see you in the next video.